today I will make a video on how to make the bouncy rubbery egg. So here's it. I got a cup of vinegar. It's like full cup. You need to take a lot of vinegar. Do not use the apple cider vinegar. Use this one, the normal vinegar, and then put the egg inside the vinegar. And after you put it in the vinegar, the egg. After you put the egg in the vinegar, put the vinegar and the egg like this in the refrigerator. And yeah, be sure not to put it in the deep freeze or the freezer, because it's gonna make it so cold. It's not gonna be a bouncy rubbery egg. Put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours, and then guys, I took it out the freezer for 24 hours, and here's the egg, and maybe you guys are thinking that did you hear the camera there? Yes, it did. Let me take off fingers. Take off fingers. What is wrong? Oh shit! I didn't like take the washer out and then take out that. So yeah, you can actually put them. Getting green. Guys, so after doing the hard work, I got the ultimate result. It's bouncy, squishy. You can play with it, but don't drop it from a high point. It may break. It will break, not may break. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and bye.